Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a printer to your phone. We will focus on the most reliable method, which involves using your printer's dedicated mobile application. This approach ensures a smooth and secure connection, allowing you to print documents and photos directly from your device. It's a straightforward process that takes just a few minutes to set up, giving you the freedom to print from anywhere within your home or office network. The first crucial step is to download the correct application for your specific printer model. Head over to your phone's App Store, whether it's the Apple App Store or Google Play, and search for your printer's brand name. For example, if you have an Epson printer, you'd look for the Epson iPrint app. Once you find it, simply download and install it onto your phone. This app acts as the bridge between your phone and the printer. Now that the app is installed, open it up. The application will guide you through the process of finding and connecting to your printer. Most apps will automatically detect nearby printers on the same Wi-Fi network. If not, you might need to manually enter your printer's IP address or select it from a list. Ensure your printer is powered on and connected to your home or office Wi-Fi for a successful pairing. With your phone and printer now successfully paired, you are ready to print. Simply open the document, photo, or web page you want to print on your phone. Look for the share icon or a print option within the application. Select your connected printer, adjust any settings like the number of copies or paper type, and then tap print. It's that easy to send your files wirelessly from your phone to your printer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.